Tried something a little different this morning coming out the door, but if I don't film earlier, then you miss Tuck saying all those sweet Tuxy sounds on his way to his food. Hi. 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 Come on. But then you get to hear Morris this morning, so it's all good. Good morning, everyone. Is it getting cold where you are? It's definitely chillier here today. Hi, Morris. Hi, honey. He goes, I'll block the food and I'll get my love this morning. I don't know what to do with myself. I don't have 5 fountains to look after and check in on. We're not expected to have any rain really through the end of the month. I heard the weather guy say last night, Mike Mays. I didn't rule out a sprinkle, right? But the state fair starts today. And these weeks in October are usually pretty dry. So I'll just need to make sure that anything that's still alive doesn't, just look after things. This is the only fountain I still have going, and it has been such a great low maintenance fountain that I'm rarely doing anything with it. We had that little bit of, just a few drops of rain last night, and it got cloudy, and the clouds kept the temperature up. We may have gotten down to 41 here at the house for the briefest of time, but was really more like 43. So they said tonight, again, chance of frost. We'll see. And then it starts to warm up. So it's, I don't have on a jacket, but I've got on long sleeves. It's breezy. It's breezy. And, it's still in the 40s. So Michelle was going to go, hi, Stripe. You didn't want anything else to eat, buddy? That's fine. Michelle and I had made plans to meet today like normal. It's Thursday. And this morning she pinged me and says, can we meet tomorrow, Friday, instead? And I don't have anything on my calendar, so I said, sure. And the little baby kitty has a drippy eye this morning, probably upper respiratory infection. Nothing to panic about, but Michelle, as soon as she saw that, she called the vet. She's got a 10:45 appointment. They're probably going to put the kitten on amoxicillin and tell her to put a warm washcloth on it, a couple of drops of water to soften up the goop. It's been caught really early, right? Last night at bedtime was fine, and then this morning was drippy. So, I'm not panicking. Is what I'm trying to say is I'm not panicking. But we'll shop tomorrow. I think it looks better after I blew the leaves off the grass yesterday. I'm still happy with my decision that I don't need to mow yet. I definitely will need to mow again, but not today. Even though I technically now have time. But yeah, especially like over here. And I guess we didn't have a lot of breeze overnight. A lot of new leaves haven't come down. Even the driveway still looks nice and empty. Good morning. How are you? You good? Hang on. You doing good? Good morning. Hi, sweet pea. Hi. Hi. Are you guys going to help me cook in the kitchen? We have so many packages coming today that, and some of them are things we don't necessarily want just sitting around, that we're going to wait until package delivery and walk later this afternoon. Now that we have, flexibility today with it not being shopping day. So I'm going to cook bacon. I thought maybe he would hoot and holler, but he's concentrating in there. And work on, I have 2 more bags of the Wednesday Lego build to do. And I was thinking about making one other thing, cooking one other thing here in the kitchen. So anyway, Don's going to do some stuff and I'm going to do some stuff and we're going to walk later. There's lunch.
Hot damn, we got us a casserole and bacon.
Yeah, I might have had a piece of bacon, so I'm probably not eating anymore. And maybe it's hard to cook and not eat while you're cooking. I believe this is my new Apple Watch, Series 10. They brought back rose gold. See, this is Series 5, rose gold. It won't hold a charge anymore. It's probably dead. Yeah, it's dead. And I just put it on this morning and I haven't even exercised. So with it not holding a charge for more than, 3 or 4 hours at a time, it's time for a new watch. Well, I'm not having a bad experience getting the new watch going, but it could have been better because it went to read the information off my iPhone and said I need iOS 18 and I'm on something besides 18. I guess I'm on 17 something. And there was a 17 update out there waiting, which was a little perplexing because I have automatic updates turned on. Maybe it's because the phone's not plugged in overnight. And that's the only time it tries to update. I don't know. Anyway, I had to request 18. And 3 or 4 minutes later, in a sort of confusing thing, it actually started downloading 18. So I've got to update my phone first. So anyone that knows how that goes knows that's probably going to be 30 minutes at least to download the update and then install the update, at least, with multiple reboots in between. I mean, the phone will do all of that, but... So I can't get my new watch going yet because I got to update my phone first. Would have been nice when I ordered the watch if somehow it had communicated that. And Don's on his unicycle doing some stuff with the driveway alert. And so the alert's going off. UPS has come. We're still waiting on FedEx. I did finish the house and really cute. I knew I was going to love these little gargoyle pieces. They're brand spanking new. And there's 4 of them. These do turn, these towers, somehow. Well, I thought they did. Would have been cool if they'd have made them turn. It's a fun set. These little drawers here in the front. See if I can, I'm trying to bring it out one-handed. They come out on both sides. There's 2 little drawers. And I like how they did the window on the side of the roof peak to add a little interest. And it's filled with lots of fun, bright, cheerful girl stuff. So it was a fun build, and I'm glad I got it. And yeah, it's done now. Let's see. I probably can push the drawer out from behind. Yeah, that worked. So the other side is... blue color. Teal. Is it teal? I think it was teal. No, it was black sides with sand blue little squares. But anyway, I could see where this would be appealing to the younger crowd, where they could put little doodads in there, other Lego parts or other pieces. The drawers are pretty cool. For now. I replaced all the parts that came that I was waiting on and finished the second floor except for putting the flooring for the 3rd floor on. I'm going to end up having to put something in the middle. I think I've got 2 extra studs. It shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along good. It really was problematic to go back and replace the pieces that were the wrong color that had come that I needed to put on, but I did get it done. It just may have frustrated me a bit for a few minutes. It's going on 4:20, and if we don't go for a walk, we're not going to get in a walk today. FedEx hasn't come. I don't know where FedEx is. field's marked. The pitching machine is out. Scoreboard is on and it's set for 60 minutes. And it might be chilly by the time the game's over with. Now, so far, the thing I like about my new watch is that it feels, looks, and works exactly like my old watch. No surprises so far. You know, honestly, one of the reasons why I didn't upgrade, besides the expense and my other watch doing absolutely everything I needed it to do except the battery running down, because I was scared to death the watch was going to scare me with some sort of new heart alert that I just don't want it to do. I mean, obviously, if there's a problem, I want to know, but, you know, one time my watch is like, your activity, you know, there's been a heart notification or some sort of a notification. And it was just like, I had exercised a little less because we were doing something. And I just don't need to be scared by my equipment when there's nothing to be, you know, I'm just the kind of person I need less warnings, not more. If I need to go to the ER, let me know, and otherwise don't bother me. So, anyway. I noticed I went into Pokemon Go and my phone told me it put me in game mode. What the heck is that? And I didn't ask it to do that, you know, because I had to upgrade the phone to iOS 18 to start you know, in order to be able to pair and use the new watch. So, I don't know. I'm sure there'll be a few little things about my phone. I'll try to spend a minute to go read up, especially whatever things they've changed with the camera app or the photos or whatever. For all I know, there could possibly be a change I actually want. Probably not, though. And this watch is 42 millimeters instead of 40 millimeters. So it is technically a little bit bigger, but not a lot bigger. And like I said, I really can't tell a difference. Well, we got kids out warming up and practicing on both fields now. One field's updated to 70 minutes instead of 60, the one that doesn't have the pitching machine. It hadn't been cold out here.
No.
It's been quite pleasant.
Very nice.
I don't know, I want to be out here till, you know, 11 o'clock tonight walking around, but right now it's good.
Yeah, when the sun goes down, it's probably going to be cold quick.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. I've been at the fair while it was nice and sunny out. And then when that sun goes down, whoo, baby, get me to the car. So they came out with a prediction for the weather.
Oh.
We're supposed to be warmer than average through January and drier than average through January. But we are on for the dryness part, we're on the fringe. We're not in the level 3 dry, we're in the level 1 drier. So not like no precipitation, but I don't know. Normal'd be good. Normal, how about normal? Right now I'm wanting some rain, and I already heard Mike say we're not gonna get any rain through the end of the month. Our weather guy Mike, so I don't know. Right now I'm ready for a half an inch, you know, just a little water. Hey, I got you at the garden center.
I have no money. I don't have my wallet, so I don't think we can get anything.
I have your money.
Oh.
What's it been, 3 weeks?
Oh, a month, I think.
Yeah, they finally, like 3 days ago, said they had them back in stock, and there is actually another pallet of them right there, too. I only want 4. Poor Don didn't remember his gloves. I'm sorry I didn't help you remember. You got gloves in the car?
Nope.
Aw. Well, Don could tell on our way home from Lowe's and then Harris Teeter that I really wanted to try to look at the comet again, so he offered to drive me over to the spot that we came the other day, and we're probably about 5 minutes from where it's dark enough to see it. It is clear, and the sunset was pretty, so I'd like to see it one more time. Venus is now just below the tree line there in the left of the frame. You might can just barely see it through the tree top. Don moved Jules so that you could see Venus there through the treetop a little better. And I've also zoomed in as much as this camera zooms in now. We were able to see it and get more pictures. It's really higher tonight, like they said, and it's really fainter, like they said. Plus, there's a full moon basically exactly behind it. So if we're pointing northwest, I guess the moon is southeast. Is that right? Anyway, I doubt this will show up on this camera, but since it has excellent night mode, I thought I'd at least try it. I'm glad we came one more time. It's going to only get harder and harder to see, so if you've missed tonight, make sure you get out there tomorrow if it's not cloudy. You got to use the night sky app or something, but find Venus, and instead of leveling the sky with Venus, it's up higher, and if you can't see it with the naked eye, I bet your phone can see it in night mode.